Hi guys, welcome to Fishing Tackle channel. Let me show you how I do my hybrid double loop rig. So it's very simple. Get your fluorocarbon, get this line, and you want to make it big, about an arm's length, and you got this big loop right here, right? And what you want to do is how long do you want the hook loop to come out? So I want it to come out not too long, so I'm going to let it come out this much, right? This is where I'm going to tie the hook. So what I'm going to do is take this loop and go one, do this again. So I'm going to do is 1, 2, and 3 is what I'm going to do. There's a name for this, but you could probably look, you guys could leave a comment. I think this is like a reverse loop or something like that. So on here, this loop is going to be used for your sinker. So you're going to put the sinker on here, and this is where you're going to put your hook. So simply, you could do a polymer knot or whatever you want to do. I'm going to use this right here because I'm going to let this float so it's not on the bottom. So again, the fun of this is you could do however you want. That's what's fun of it, and see if it works, and if it's a total failure, lesson learned, right? Just for me, it's just a regular improved clinch nut, knot. Just like that. I'll just cut this. I love having this. No more nail clippers. Cast King. I made a video on this. If you want to check it out, and it's ready to go, just like that. I'm going to have a sinker right here, reverse, and then the second one, I want to bring it up here or so. And there are many ways to do it. This is the easiest way for you to do it. Again, right here, you want to get the loop, make a loop, and you want to just 1, 2, 3, and then give it enough slack, because this is where the hook's going to go in, just like that, right? And what I like to do is put a bead in it. So I have this little glow in the dark bead in here, just like that. And I'm going to put like 2 in it. This will help with the presentation, is what I'm thinking. I could be wrong. And then pretty much put this hook through, just like that. Just like what you understand about the double dropper loop. And voila, I have sort of a modified hybrid loop. This is a reverse dropper loop and regular dropper loop. So I have these two ready to go. And that's it. If you please like this video and subscribe if it helps you.